Hello, good morning, students. Today we start a new chapter, Plant Life, the Leaf, for Standard 6. Plant Life, the Leaf. Leaf is very important for plants because leaf makes food for plants. Most of the flowering plants grow from the seed. In seed, the embryo contains an embryonic root called radicle and embryonic shoot called plumule. Radicle goes downwards in the soil and form root system. And plumule goes upward and form shoot system. Shoot bears leaf, stem, fruit, flower, bud, etc. First, the root. Root, look here, look figure. Root fix the plant firmly into the soil. They absorb water and minerals from the soil for growth of the plants. Root is two types. First, taproot. Second, fibrous root. Taproot. This is taproot. It has main thick primary root which develop other branches as secondary and tertiary. This is main root. This main root is called primary root. This primary root which develops other branches or as secondary or tertiary. First, second branches and other branches tertiary root. Secondary root, primary root, secondary root and tertiary root. Second, fibrous root. In this type of root, a cluster of root arise from the base of stem. This is the cluster of root arise from the base of the stem. Base of the stem. For example, grass, wheat, onion. Stem is the main part. Second, stem is the main part of the plant. Stem grow above the soil. This is stem. It is grow above the soil. This is soil. Below the soil root and above the soil stem. This all part is stem. It bears branches, fruits, flower, buds, stem, leaf, etc. Stem helps to conduct water and minerals to the leaves. This is stem. It conducts water and minerals to the leaves. And also transport food prepared by the leaves to whole plants of the body. Stem. Stem is three types. First, soft stem. Second, hard and woody stem. Third, trunk. Soft stem is green in color. For example, spinach, mint, etc. Hard and woody stem arise from base of the plants and form bush. Example, henna, mehndi. Trunk. Stem of tree is called stem of tree, not plants. Big tree. Stem of tree is called trunk. It is thick, hard, woody and strong. This type. This is trunk. Next part, leaf. Leaf is flat, thin, usually green in color. Why leaf is green in color? You know, in the presence of chlorophyll, leaf is usually green in color. That arise from the node of the stem. Node, what is node? Look here. This is stem. Leaf always arise from the node of the stem. This is node. Leaf, this arise from the node. In between two node, internode is present. Part of leaf. Leaf base. Part of the leaf. First, leaf base. This is leaf base. This. Look here, this picture. This is the leaf base. End of the petiole. This is petiole. Look here. This picture is clear. This is the petiole. End of the petiole. This is petiole. Whole structure is petiole. End of the petiole joining the leaf. This end of the petiole join the leaf to the stem. To the stem. This end of the petiole join the stem is called leaf base. This is leaf base. It is slightly swollen. Second, leaf stalk or petiole. This structure is leaf stalk or petiole. Leaf is attached on the node by a stalk called petiole. This structure. When leaf is attached on the stem by petiole, this is stem, this is petiole. When leaf is attached on the node by a stalk called petiole. When leaf is attached on the stem, when leaf is attached on the stem by petiole, is called petiolate leaf. But in some plants, petiole is absent and leaf directly arise from the stem. This is called sessile leaf. Next part of the leaf, axillary bud. This is axillary bud. Axillary bud. Axillary bud. It is the type of bud and arise from axil of the leaf. Axillary bud is also a type of bud and arise from the axil of the leaf. This is the axil. This axillary bud arise from this point. This is called axillary bud. Repeat again. It is the type of bud and arise from axil of the leaf. Look here, this picture. This is axillary bud, arise from axil of the leaf. Third, leaf blade or lamina, this broad part. This broad part is leaf blade, this part, this broad part, leaf blade or lamina. It is very broad, expanded. You see, this is very broad, expanded part of the plant. This very broad, expanded, thin part is called leaf blade or lamina. It is also called lamina. The tip of the lamina is known as leaf apex. This is the tip of the lamina. This is lamina, broad, thin part, and tip of the lamina is called leaf apex. 5. Leaf margin. This is leaf margin. This is leaf margin. The edge of the leaf blade, the edge of the leaf blade is called leaf margin. Today we learn what is embryo, parts of the leaf, types of root, stem, leaf, parts of the leaf, etc. Now we close your now stop. Sorry. In next class we start part 2. I will give homework on Teno. Please read this chapter properly with given link and do homework. Bye.